بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful.
Muslim Businesses United. Come on, give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, there's someone there taking a picture. I will say, please, yeah, young man, right, picture. I do a desi look. Because we've all got that at home, haven't we? Pictures from back home. Yeah, okay. You got your finger in front of the flash there, actually. Okay. Wait, take one more. But your finger's in front of the flash, brother. That's it. Good. Educated.
I got it.
You got it, good. I will say to you, hey, come on, big round of applause for that picture. Put it up on YouTube. I will say to you, don't take any more pictures of me for security reasons. Social security reasons. I'm joking. Some people are like, huh, really? Is he on social security? Do you like Shah Rukh Khan, the actor? Do you like Shah Rukh Khan? I love him. I love Shah Rukh Khan. Especially I love it. He said dialogue, don't delay, claim today. That's brilliant, isn't it? Don't delay, claim today. Everyone is claiming now, isn't it? Shah Rukh Khan. I tell you, I went outside, I saw people outside walking across the road, yeah? Different communities walk across the road. What's happening here, brother? Huh? What's happening here, brother? You've got full uniform on, you're ready? Okay. In my honor, all right. Different communities react in different ways to different situations, right? This is true, right? If you see, you know zebra crossing, yeah? You see a white man at zebra crossing, you stop your car, yeah? White man. Yeah? Asian person at zebra crossing, you know what they do? They're just walking like they don't care. Yeah, you know? Jamaican man at zebra crossing. Yeah, because we've all seen this, isn't it? Jamaican man at zebra crossing. The cars are going 60 miles an hour. He's like that. Now you've got to stop, yeah? That's the law. You stop. Because he's like, what he's saying to you is, come on, you want to try it? So, we have a lot of entertainment today, and we have a lot of items for auction. Where have you come from, young man? You just happen to be at the front, which is a very bad place to sit in my show. Where have you come from?
BD8.
BD8. BD8. Who are BD? BD? You're coming from the BD? The BD8. Okay, is that a cool way of saying it? BD8, isn't it? You know what I mean? And what is the postcode you don't like?
I don't know.
You don't know, okay, so you're just picking up your own postcode. I love this town very much. I will say to you, this town is beautiful. I went recently to, you know what you've got, mashallah, you've got the most curry houses in the UK per population, is that right? Yeah? I went to one of these curry houses, it's a true story, and I've never forgotten this. I went there, I said, look, excuse me, can I have a baldy chicken, a chicken curry, yeah? This man, he turned around, he went, yeah, you know what I mean, baldy chicken coming your way, you know what I mean, man? Yeah? And it was a Pakistani man, 70 years old. He was putting on a Jamaican accent. I've got no problem with that, Jamaican people are cool. But just once, I would like to see a Jamaican man put on a Pakistani accent. And then try his luck, how are you doing, baby? There are a lot of things in the community which we do not get credit for. Yeah, this is true. Yeah? The Muslim community, if you look, I mean, there is a program on TV. Have you seen this program on TV about the Muslim community? Have you seen it? It's called The News. Yeah, that's the only time you see Muslims on TV. I think some of our brothers, the only way they can get on TV is, all right. But sometimes we don't get the credit for inventions that we created. This is true. Yeah, we don't get invention credit. The credit where it's due. Yeah. For example, you go to school, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you? 11. Okay, maybe you're too young for this. How old are you, young man? You know, he's got a beard and everything. He's like 74. No. Okay, I want to talk about a right angle triangle. Anybody good at mathematics? Right angle triangle, 3, 4, 5 triangle, yeah? If I square the opposite, I square the adjacent, I get square root of hypotenuse. I'm talking about a mathematical theorem. What am I talking about? Pythagoras theorem, yes, for 3,000 years this Greek man has got the credit for this invention, but who makes a samosa? We make samosa, he gets credit. And there's other things, right? Especially the Asian community have invented certain things and we never get the credit for it. Speed dating. We invented that, innit? Speed dating, we invented that, going out with an Asian girl. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, your brother's coming! Alright, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll introduce on stage our next performer, who is going to do, we have seen him before we began today's show. Some people are trying to come in. I've seen some brothers out there with like little beards and that kind of, come on, you've got to let me in, you know what I mean? I've got backstage pass and everything. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce on stage a stylish and versatile pianist. He's performed actually at various places. I want you to give him a big round of applause. Come on, he does weddings, dinner parties, conferences. He's the warm, elegant sound of the solo piano. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Imani Hakima. Very good family friend. So ladies and gentlemen, another distinguished person from the Professional Muslim Institute.